Hey, this is James and a big hello to you all. This is really a privilege for me to tell you about the scratch in advance about Power BI. Power BI is interactive data visualization and analytics tool for business intelligence. You can use it to pull data from a wide range of systems in the cloud and on premises and create dashboards that track the metrics you care about the most or drill in and ask questions about your data. You can create rich reports or embed dashboards and reports into reporting portals you already use. The dashboards, reports, and visualizations you can create go far beyond bar and pie charts, but you don't need to be a designer to use them. Why MindCypress Power BI? Highly qualified, experienced, and industry experts trainers. Latest course curriculum. Globally recognized certificates. Course available in all three modes: e-learning, online, and classroom. Who should attend this course? People from flowing domain, profession, and industries can go for this course. Career benefits of course: better salary, better job security, and opportunity to become a subject matter expert. High demand for Power BI skilled professionals in the market. What is the process to appear in the examination of accredited body, if needed? After the course completion, you will be awarded Certificate of Completion, and then you will have to go through an online test conducted by MindCypress, get certified Certificate of Excellence.